Welcome to another episode of The Atomic Baker. Today we are making Snickerdoodle cookies. Let's gather our ingredients tidbits. Every atomic baker's secret to perfection. A scoop of flour, a pat of butter, and a sprinkle of sugar sparkle. A splash of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and that special touch Wow's cream of tartar. 2 fresh eggs, a little baking soda, parmesan, and a lot of love. And don't forget our golden duo and pin, cinnamon and sugar, for that classic sparkle. Now, we cream our butter and sugar till they're light as a 1950s daydream. Add your eggs and that vanilla charm tea. Stir with a smile. Sift the dry ingredients too. Watch the magic in motion. Silly me, let's clean this mess before we roll our dough. Roll them in that cinnamon sugar twinkle, the hallmark of every good Snickerdoodle. Into the oven they go, and oh, the scent of nostalgia. There you have it, it says, Snickerdoodles from a sweeter time. The Atomic Baker, signing off with sugar and smiles.